smartphone camera is about to get a brain transplant. At least that's the promise of Samsung. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. Samsung is teasing a new AI-powered camera system for its February 25th Galaxy Unpacked event, where the company is expected to launch its Galaxy S26 lineup. Samsung says it will unify photo and video capturing, editing, and sharing into one intuitive system. In easy words, the line between snapping a photo and heavily editing could disappear entirely. The standout tricks are turning day into night, restore missing chunks of objects, yes, that bitten cupcake can be magically refilled, edit low-light detail, and merge multiple shots into one flawless image. Right now, many of these tools are in a separate Galaxy AI button with features like generative edit in different menus. This update can integrate these AI tools, showing instantly during capture, not after it happened. Samsung says its latest Galaxy AI features will eliminate the need to jump between apps or deal with complex editing software, since now everything will happen in one place. That will put Samsung even further ahead of rivals like Apple, whose cleanup in photos remains restrained. Details about video editing are still under wraps. The Galaxy S26 won't just rely on lenses, it's making camera an AI studio. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.